Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Let's do another interesting cocktail. In fact, this is one of the strangest cocktails I've ever had, but it's also one of my favorite unique cocktails. If you like an old fashioned and you also like rum and you like pineapple juice, then the pineapple cinnamon bomb is for you. So one of the most important ingredients of this is cinnamon syrup. Now, I make my own. It's very simple. You can buy it, but all it is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 cinnamon sticks boiled until it reduces to about 2/3 cooled and put into this bottle. I mean, this stuff is unbelievable. It's so good. So how we're going to do this, start with a highball glass, and we've got a big block of ice. We'll drop that in. Take our Agostado bitters, and we'll give this 1 or 2 shakes depending on how much you like that bitter flavor. I usually do 2. And then we'll take about 3/4 of an ounce of this cinnamon syrup. Put that right on top. To that, I'm going to add some pineapple juice. I need 1 ounce of pineapple juice. It honestly doesn't matter what type of pineapple juice you use. In fact, today I'm using Great Value pineapple. Yeah, the cheap stuff, because it works just fine. On that, I'm going to need about 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. I prefer my lime juice fresh squeezed, so I've cut a lime in half and drop it in my old juice press here. 3/4 of an ounce. To that, we're going to add rum, but not just 1 rum. We're going to add 3 rums. We're going to start with a pineapple rum. Now, this is plantation pineapple rum. You should be able to find this in any decent liquor store. And of this, you're going to need about 1 ounce, like so. And then I'm going to add an aged rum. Doesn't matter what kind. I like Dorley's XO, but anything that's aged, Appleton, whatever you like. Just not a white rum and not a gold rum. You need an aged rum. 1 ounce of that. And definitely not a spiced rum. Last but not least, for a little bit of kick in the head, we've got Overproof. This is Plantation OFTD. This is about as close as you can get to the old Bacardi 151 that's still in the market in the United States. And to this, we need 3/4 of an ounce. That's all that goes in the glass. We're going to take the old bar spoon here, give it a nice spin. And it's going to have a look kind of like apple cider when it's done. That's what it looks like. But I promise you, it is magnificent. Absolutely fantastic. You get all of those rum flavors. You get the pineapple juice. You get a little bit of the depth of the bitters, but you get that kick of the cinnamon. And it all kind of has a cider-like flavor. Till next time, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you let me know if there's something you'd like me to make. Eat and drink fabulous, and I'll see you soon.